In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Shopify with Notion using Zapier. By carefully following these instructions, you'll be able to streamline your e-commerce processes and make data management much more efficient. To get started, you'll want to log into your Zapier account. Once you're in, go ahead and click on the Create button followed by Zap. This will set the foundation for your automated workflow, which is what Zapier calls a Zap. Now it's time to decide which app will kickstart this automation, also known as the Trigger app. You have two paths you can take at this juncture. If you're using Shopify as the Trigger app, you'll want to select Shopify. From there, choose a trigger event. You have several options such as new paid order, new customer, new product, or updated product. Once you've made your choice, you'll need to connect your Shopify account, selecting the store you want to keep tabs on. Before moving on, be sure to test the trigger to make sure everything is functioning as expected. On the other hand, if you're opting for Notion as your trigger app, select Notion and pick a trigger event like new database item or updated database item. After linking your Notion account, you'll need to select the database you wish to monitor. Don't forget to test the trigger here as well to ensure everything is set up correctly. A quick note, while Zapier supports many Shopify actions, the creation or update of products, customers, or orders from Notion does depend on the actions currently available in Zapier's support for Shopify. With your trigger app set, it's time to select an action app. Say Shopify is your trigger, then you'll want Notion as your action app. You can choose between actions such as create database item, update database item, or find database item. Select the Notion database where you want this data stored. If you've chosen Notion as your trigger, then Shopify will naturally be your action app. Pick one of the available Shopify actions supported by Zapier for your account. Next comes the important step of mapping fields. Here's where everything connects. You'll map each field from Shopify to its corresponding property in Notion. For instance, you'll match the order number from Shopify to the title field in Notion, customer name to customer, email to email, total price to order total, financial status to payment status, fulfillment status to fulfillment, and order, date to, you guessed it, order date. Once the mapping is done, it's crucial to test your Zap. Click that test button and make sure that the order, customer, or product information correctly appears in Notion, or that the Shopify action is completed successfully. With everything verified, the final step is to turn on your Zap. Simply click Publish or Turn on Zap, and there you have it. Your Shopify and Notion are now connected via Zapier, making your workflow more seamless and efficient.